As Meghalaya reopens for tourism from 1st September 2021, there are various standard operating procedures that have been issued by the state administration for adherence by tourists who enter the state. Following this, on the afternoon of 31st August 2021, a delegation of members of Kohima Sora had met the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, Isawanda Lalu, to submit a proposal containing guidelines for tourism protocols under the Hima Sora Sameaship. While speaking to the media, the Same Khana or Deputy Chief of Hima Sora, Maramdor Same, informed that the proposal submitted to the DC East Khasi Hills contains strict guidelines for national and local tourists to adhere to while entering Sora. He added that although manpower is lacking, yet the Hima would see to it that checkpoints would be placed at various entry points so as to enable smooth inflow of tourists into the area. The Deputy Chief further informed that only vaccinated tourists would be allowed entry into Hima Sora.
We met the DC that we have submitted a proposal against the DC regarding the proper setup of this tourism or opening the tourism. So from our side, from the Hima as a whole, we are very concerned about the Kon Gajar and the area as a whole. So we have to be very careful regarding this issue. So from our side, as we have already decided from the executive board, it's already set others in. So we decided to submit a proposal to DC. So this is our first step. So then we request DC also to make sure that this proposal, let me know that from the government to take immediate steps behind this.